What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Okay, so welcome back, guys. I'm here to do my lace front, new lace front wig install today. It is made by Bobbi Boss, and it is the MLF 181 Dina, and it's in the color TT/OL Berry. That's what that looks like. So I have already cut the lace off, and there's already a predefined parting space. Looks really good on the wig. The colors are beautiful. They were really different, and that's the reason I chose this wig, because of the color. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. Handy dandy baby hair scarf. I've already brushed my hair back and all that good stuff. So I'm ready just to install the wig. So here we go. I forgot to talk about the combs. There's a comb right here on the left and a comb on the right in the front, and then of course one in the very back. So I'll detail that and put it like in a window on the side of the video. So it's on this side this time. So that's this wig. Short, swift, and to the point. It's like an actual 5-minute hairdo. It's cute. And I will show you guys the back of it. Just a minute. Can you see the color real good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, so that's the install for this wig. Again, it is made by Bobbi Boss, lace front, MLF 181 Dina in the color TT/OL Berry. And the aftercare instructions are on the back, and they're pretty simple to take care of. So yeah, it's really lightweight, it's not heavy. The wig is really snug, so I don't feel insecure in the wig. I don't feel like it's sliding or anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of play with the curls a little bit to kind of give it some life, so it doesn't look flat. But anyway, so that's this wig, and of course I have to follow up with my lippy, which is gonna be evergreen for today, since it matches my outfit. Okay. So, there we have it, guys. That's the Bobbi Boss Dina wig install. Lace front. I purchased it from Amazon, and I believe it was maybe $39. Yeah, so I wasn't able to get it on a haul for some reason, I guess because it wasn't a featureless. But anyway, it was cute. The color I liked, and it was similar to the style of the one that I had last week, so I thought I would try it. So yeah, I did buy this one. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you all. And now we'll be getting ready to close out this video and go into the try on haul from Boo.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.